Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to create a YouTube API key and how to use it on analyzeway.com. Open your favorite browser, make sure to sign in on your Gmail account. Search for console.cloud.google.com. Hit enter. First time when you create YouTube API key, you will get this pop-up. Select your country, then check this two. I agree and continue. Select a project, new project, write one name for your project, create. The name must be between 4 and 30 character. Okay. Create. Creating project with select project. Select APIs and services. Select library. Scroll down. Find YouTube Data API v3. Make sure to enable it. In this step, select credentials. Create credentials. Select API key. We successfully create this key. Copy it. Open new tab. Search for analyzeway.com. Now click on video analyze. Click on more search with API. Paste your API key here. Enter your title. For example, I want to search for how to create Facebook account. I need a video from 2024 to 2024. It means it starts from 2024 and into 2024. I need a video by most view. I need 50 result. You can select up to 15. Then you can select your month. I need from February to November. Then click on search. Yes, here is a list of video for how to create Facebook account just for 2024. Here is 15 video. This website sort by most view, and also you can sort by most like, most comment and most subscribe. The important thing is here you can full screen the thumbnail. Like this, you can find data for any specific title you want. Paste your API key or select your API key, then type your title. Then you can search. In the end, if this video is helpful, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time.